Today we're going to be going over common troubleshooting items for FireGear's TMSI ignition system. If your fire pit is still not working after following the steps in this video, please reach out to our technical service team at 800-966-8126 or visit www.firegearoutdoors.com. For the fire pit to operate properly, it first must be lit properly. To light the fire pit, press the red button and hold. The igniter will begin to spark. While holding the red button, rotate the control knob to the on position, then press in and hold that control knob. Once the fire pit lights, you may release the red button. You must keep the control knob pushed in for another 30 seconds to ensure flame stays lit. To turn off the fire pit, slightly push in the control knob and turn to the off position. If you try to light your fire pit but the igniter is not sparking, the first thing you should replace is the battery within the red piezo button. Unscrew the black portion of the button until you're able to remove it. There's a single AAA battery. Make sure the new battery is installed in the correct orientation. Once you have replaced the battery, try to relight the fire pit. You should replace the battery once per quarter based on usage. The igniter assembly comes mounted to the burner pan from the factory. The most important thing about the igniter assembly to look for when diagnosing an issue is the alignment of the igniter probes. Remove the screen cover and ensure that there is a 1/8 inch gap between the two igniter probes. Another item to look at is the thermocouple. Make sure that the thermocouple is completely free of any media or debris. Ensure the base media is at least 1 inch in diameter and top media is no more than 1 inch over top of burner. Ensure all shutoff valves and valve is fully open. Check for spider webs inside burner orifice. It is important to make sure that there are no spider webs inside the gas orifice, as it can cause serious gas flow issues. Was the correct gas line size ran to the burner assembly in accordance to the International Gas Line Size Chart? You can find our gas pipe sizing chart on our website or within your installation manual. Excess dust and sand from media, as well as seasonal buildup from leaves, dust, and dirt may be blocking the weep holes to relieve water. Remove all media and unplug weep holes. Clean or install new media free of dust and dirt. Ensure fire pit enclosure has proper drainage for water and proper ventilation to dry out. We recommend purchasing a cover or lid to keep excessive water out of the fire pit. If this is a new installation, it is possible that water had gotten into the gas line during the gas line installation right before final connection was made to the fire pit and main gas supply source. Check media to ensure it is not too tightly packed around the burner tube. Ensure a non-whistling stainless steel flex connector is being used. Do not use the yellow flexible stainless gas lines commonly used for the installation of gas kitchen ranges or gas clothes dryers. There's a proper way to place media into a fire pit. Do not dump a large amount of media into the fire pit all at once, as this can result in damage to the product or introducing a large amount of dust and debris into sensitive parts of the unit. Use gloves and place the media around the burner tubes and arms to just cover the burner tubes and arms. You should still be able to see small glimpses of the burner tubes and arms through the media. Ensure that you do not cover the ignition hood or screen cover of the ignition hood when installing your media. Make sure you take the media out and clean the pan, burner, and igniter assembly once per year to ensure proper operation. Thanks for taking the time to view this video about our fire pit burner system. If you should still have any issues with your product, please reach out to our technical service team at 800-966-8126 or visit www.firegearoutdoors.com.